Scheduled Mercedes oil changes and inspections for optimal engine health. Introduction. Keep your Mercedes performing at its best. Routine oil changes and inspections are essential for preserving your Mercedes engine's performance and long-term durability. Clean oil ensures smooth engine operation, while inspections help catch early signs of potential issues before they worsen. Mercedes-Benz models require precision care that follows strict service intervals and factory-recommended procedures. Why regular oil changes are crucial. Fresh oil reduces internal friction, minimizes wear, and maintains correct engine temperature under varying driving conditions. Delayed oil changes may lead to sludge buildup, clogged filters, and long-term damage to vital engine components. Using Mercedes-approved synthetic oil enhances protection and ensures compatibility with the latest engine technologies. What happens during a scheduled inspection? Trained technicians inspect fluid levels, belts, hoses, filters, and the entire lubrication system for signs of wear. They check engine codes, oil quality, and the oil filter to confirm everything meets factory standards. Tire pressure, brake condition, and battery health may also be reviewed as part of a multi-point inspection. Certified service and OEM-grade oils. Mercedes certified service centers use original parts and oil that match factory performance and protection standards. Technicians follow exact mileage or time-based service intervals as outlined in your Mercedes maintenance booklet. This ensures your engine stays clean, efficient, and well protected from early wear or overheating. Conclusion. Protect what drives you. Regular Mercedes oil services and inspections are a smart investment in long-term engine health and reliability. Trust factory-trained experts to keep your engine strong, your warranty valid, and your driving worry-free.